Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational functions and vertical asymptotes. Let's solve it together. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals negative 17. Which of the following could be an expression for f of x? So, if you're talking about the rational functions are in the format of a over b. A is the numerator and b is the denominator. And vertical asymptotes are all about the denominator. So in the denominator, if you have, and this rational function, if you have a vertical asymptote at x equals negative 17, you must have x plus 17 in the denominator. X plus 17. This expression must be in the denominator. Why is that so? Because when you solve x plus 17 for 0, you will take away 17 from both sides. And x becomes 0 minus 17 is negative 17. Isn't it what we are given? Yes, x equals negative 17. Therefore, you must have x plus 17 in the denominator. With this logic, if you will look at the choice A, no, we don't have x plus 17 in the denominator. Then we can go ahead and eliminate this choice A. Choice B, we have x plus 17 and x minus 8 are canceling each other out. So this is exactly what we're looking for then. In the choice C, x plus 17, do I have x plus 17 in the denominator? No. And in the choice D, I have x minus 17. When you solve for 0, that gives you x equals 17, not negative 17. Therefore, this should have x plus 17, but it didn't. Therefore, these are not the answer. So finally, again, the correct answer will be choice B for this question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.